This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF352VRD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features a DO interior, sleeps 4, spare tire kit, awning, skylight, refrigerator, external shower, smoke detector, oven, slide-out, microwave, leveling jacks, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF352VRD is 10,120 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.